Welcome to your dream beach vacation, literally steps from your own private piece of beautiful Englewood Beach. This retreat includes 2 houses which can be rented together or separately. The main home offers 3 bedrooms and 1 renovated bath and a billiard room. The kitchen is remodeled and opens to a spacious great room under a vaulted ceiling. The guest house is just darling. The 1-1 is also partially renovated, but you'll be spending a lot of time outdoors, relaxing on the grounds in the Zen garden just as much as swimming and sunbathing by the water.
So reserve today to enjoy this entire beach compound and all that Englewood Beach has to offer.